Your enduring strength and dignity, my brother, it has lifted me and kept my vision strong and dreams alive. The old ones dwell within you, and your young ones will grow strong, and the spirit of our people will survive. In the cities, on reservations, in the prisons where the struggle calls your name, your people look to you to show them how to ease their pain. The red road isn't easy, but you knew that from the start. You've been beaten, jailed, shot and stabbed, but they couldn't break your heart. Your enduring strength and dignity, my brother, it has lifted me and kept my vision strong and dreams alive. The old ones dwell within you, and your young ones will grow strong, and the spirit of our people will survive. Traveling the path you chose, searching for the light to guide your way, seeking out your teachers, elders, learning how to sacrifice and pray. Keepers of those sacred ways passed down through generations, gave you strength to resist your people's termination. Your enduring strength and dignity, my brother, it has lifted me and kept my vision strong and dreams alive. The old ones dwell within you, and your young ones will grow strong, and the spirit of our people will survive. Deception is the weapon of the system that blinds the people's mind, spinning their confusion all around us, designed to undermine. You see through their illusion, so they lock you in a cage, and you never let those tricksters' lies dissipate your rage. Your enduring strength and dignity, my brother, it has lifted me and kept my vision strong and dreams alive. The old ones dwell within you, and your young ones will grow strong, and the spirit of our people will survive. Your enduring strength and dignity, my brother, it has lifted me and kept my vision strong and dreams alive. The old ones dwell within you, and your young ones will grow strong, and the spirit of our people will survive, and the spirit of our people will survive. It's 'cause you're strong, our people's spirit will survive.